Choice Day happens once a month. We have usually 13 to 15 choices that kids get to choose, and parents run the choice. So there might be 4 off-site that kids would get to go and visit a restaurant or a business or some kind of establishment and learn the ins and outs of that. Otherwise, other activities would be here at school. They would get to learn a new language, build a rocket ship, learn about bees this month, different things like that.
The volunteer will lead an activity for those students. So the volunteer might do something like teaching them basketball skills. It might involve a craft activity for a holiday time. It could be bringing someone in from the community as a resource to teach the students about a variety of aspects.
Yeah, so the teachers sign up for a choice too. There's on-site and off-site choices, so one teacher will stay back and kind of roam around through all the classrooms, the on-site classrooms, and then one teacher goes to each of the 4 off-site choice days, and it's really a great opportunity to meet all the kids too in All City. So by the time they get to 5th grade, they're like, oh, I know Mrs. Brew. I've been on field trips with her. I've been on Choice Day with her. I've been to Kids Care with her and done volunteer opportunities. So you kind of have a little one-up on getting to know all the kids in the school too.
That I like that my kids get that opportunity to learn different things, and go on field trips and things like that they wouldn't get to, that I wouldn't typically take them on or whatever. I always like volunteering on a Choice Day so that I get to go on those fun activities as well.
You get to do fun things, and you get to go around, play, and go to different places.
I've gotten to go to the Humane Society. I've actually toured the facility before. I've made space jars, galaxy jars. I've made wooden string art. So like a wooden board, you put some nails in and then you wind the string around it.
Like you can do fun crafts, you can go places and learn about different things. One time I went to a courthouse and I got to meet a real judge, and we reenacted the court scene of Goldilocks and the 3 Bears, and I was Goldilocks.
You guys know Cupid Shuffle?
Choice Day gives the opportunity for kids to get lots of hands-on experiences. A lot of times families or parents will highlight their job and we'll go visit their job or learn about their job and different activities, or we might learn about an animal or a new cultural tradition that's brought about, and it's focused from the parents. So they bring their specialty to the table and we get to learn more about them and what they're going to do outside of school.
It really allows them to explore various options that they might find either interesting for either a future career endeavor or possibly even just something that they enjoy doing and want to fill their free time with. We want our kids to be able to find various things that they might not otherwise have opportunities to do and to explore, and that's one of the really big advantages for Choice Day. They're engaged in their learning, and when we know that kids are engaged in their learning, they're going to be able to apply it outside of just the school building as well.